the one who turns away from, the one who ignores. أعرض. عشا بمعنى أعرض. To ignore something. And not pay attention to anything. He doesn't pay attention to remembering Ar-Rahman, then we install for him, put in place for him, a shaitan. فَهُوَ لَهُ قَرِينٌ. And that shaitan is an associate to him. He's always with him. So now before we just learn qareen, now we know he's a shaitan that's a qareen. An additional piece of information is given. وَإِنَّهُمْ لَيَصُدُّونَهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ. And those shayateen, those devil, that personal devil of yours, they're the ones that obstruct them from the path. وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ. While they assume that they are in fact committed to guidance. So it'll take them off the path, but convince them that they are on it. Or convince them that they're living a very righteous lifestyle. حَتَّى إِذَا جَاءَنَا. Until he gets to us. Until finally the disbeliever comes to us. And when he comes to Allah, he comes with his qareen. The invisible shaitan that was with him all his life, now he's visible. So he says, قَالَ يَا لَيْتَ. Oh, he said, oh my God. Ugh. بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكَ بُعْدَ الْمَشْرِقَيْنِ. If only between you and me was the distance of two easts. What does mashriq literally mean in language? The place where the sun sets. Or sun rises. The place where the sun rises. Now, imagine which means it's an impossible distance. The phrase mashriq also as a literary term, an impossible distance. Because you want to reach where the sun rises, you'll never reach there. So now imagine you cross that impossible distance, and figuratively speaking, you finally reached where the sun rises. Even if I got there, and then I started all over again, another mashriq. So two impossible distances. بُعْدَ الْمَشْرِقَيْنِ فَبِئْسَ الْقَرِينَ. What a horrible qareen you are. Qareen, by the way, is someone who's chained to you, tied to you. مُقَرَّن بِك. Right? مُقَرَّنِينَ فِي الْأَصْفَاتِ كَمَا يَصِفْ سُبْحَانَهُ وَتَعَالَى. They're chained together. The criminals are chained together. So he wishes that he was at an impossible distance away from him. But he's been with him all along, and in Jannah he's stuck to him. وَلَنْ يَنْفَعَكُمُ الْيَوْمَ إِذْ ظَلَمْتُمْ أَنَّكُمْ فِي الْعَذَابِ مُشْتَرِكُونَ. Today, this conversation, even if they're wrong, if they're far away, it won't benefit you today. If, in fact, the case was, when you had done wrong, أَنَّكُمْ فِي الْعَذَابِ مُشْتَرِكُونَ. At the time you were doing wrong, you were both partners in crime, you're going to be partners in punishment. أَنَّكُمْ فِي الْعَذَابِ مُشْتَرِكُونَ. You're going to be partners.